Sono a Varanasi in India e tra poco avrò la possibilità di parlare con un Aghori, un lodatore di Shiva degli Indù che si isola ed è famoso, diciamo, perché sono una tribù molto ostile e cannibale. Per me trovare un Aghori è stato molto complicato, sono a Varanasi da 5 giorni e tutto il tempo l'ho passato a chiedere in giro se potessi incontrare un Aghori, come faccio a incontrare gli Aghori, dove sono gli Aghori, e dopo tanto sforzo sono riuscito a convincere una guida locale a portarmi da uno di loro. E ora stiamo aspettando l'Aghori, dovrebbe venire tra più o meno una mezz'oretta, non è sicuro che venga perché sono persone molto inaffidabili, però gli ho promesso un piccolo compenso economico per fare questa intervista e speriamo si presenti, e ho fatto una lista di domande da fargli, vediamo cosa mi risponde. Sono anche famosi per essere un po' ostili, però non è questo il mio...
Shiva said, I this Shiva Kasi.
No, thank you.
This give lunch 100
Take. 100. Go, go. Aspettiamo l'Aghori. Michael.
ये माइकल है। उम्र एज
20.
20 साल का उम्र।
20. Can I start asking questions?
या
Dad,
यार बाबू वही लड़के।
first question. Who are Aghori?
बाबा के ओनर। अघोरी बाबा का मतलब क्या है?
अघोरी का मतलब होता है कि पूरा
अघोरी means a people who is not afraid of anything.
Afraid of land.
Afraid of anything.
And what is his relation with fear?
आपको डर लगता है किसी चीज से?
नहीं, नो।
Never.
Never fear of anything.
Never anything.
How do
हम
they
लोग मरा हुआ है, 17 पिंड दान किया है।
They already
17
died.
पिंड दान किया है।
They already dead. They are already dead. They
No
are
doubt.
living dead body.
So they think they are already dead.
Yeah, they think.
And how do you become an Aghori?
बाबा जी अघोरी कैसे बनते हैं?
इनका संस्कार होता है।
There is a ritual to become Aghori.
कुंभ मेला में संस्कार होता है।
There is a festival in Kumbh Mela, and there is a ritual in that festival to become an Aghori.
भगवत लिंग भी तोड़ा जाता है।
They also break the veins from the penis. You know penis?
Oh, yeah?
They break the sexual emotion from the penis.
Oh, and how do they do that?
कैसे करते हैं? चिमटी से?
हाँ,
They have some kind of like a scissors, but not cutting with that.
And
चलते रहिए, नहीं।
from which age can you become an Aghori?
क्या उम्र होती है? अघोरी बनने के लिए क्या उम्र होना चाहिए?
कोई उम्र नहीं।
There is no any limitation.
छोटा बड़ा बुढ़ा सब।
Anyone can be.
Who was in before being an Aghori?
बाबा बनने से पहले आप क्या थे? बाबा बनने से पहले आप क्या थे?
ऐसे ही थे हम।
As we are, a common man.
And
सही है।
how do they see death?
खाली फोटो लेने के चक्कर में आते हैं तुम लोग।
आप मृत्यु को कैसे देखते हैं? मृत्यु को आप कैसे देखते हैं? हाँ, जैसे मृत्यु को आप किस तरह देखते हैं? किस नज़र से?
मृत्यु का कोई नजर नहीं होता है।
That is a universal truth. No one can stop that, and no one can see that when you're gonna die.
So they are not feared of that.
No, totally not.
What do they do
खाली
in their usual day?
अरे बुला रहा तो सुन नहीं रहा तुम लोग।
रोज आप क्या करते हैं ऐसे?
क्या भाव है?
हमारा जी, रोज आप क्या करते हैं?
रोज पूजा पाठ भजन तपस्या।
They do everything, bath in the Ganges, yoga, meditation. This is work of them.
And in Europe, we see
चल दिया
Aghori,
दांत पार करे।
and we think that they use human parts to pray. Is that true?
ऐसा बात सही है कि ये जो साधु बाबा होते हैं ये कंकाल की पूजा करते हैं मानव शरीर के मस्तक का। It is true.
And why do they use them and how they use them?
आप उसका यूज क्यों करते हैं और कैसे करते हैं? आप उसका प्रयोग किस प्रकार करते हैं?
उसका टाइम होता है ना 12 बजे रात में।
It has a time after the 12 a.m. in the midnight.
नाइट टाइम।
And how do they use them?
कैसे करते हैं? उसके ऊपर बैठ के they sit on the dead body and they do meditation
Okay.
to get the energy from the dead body, the negative energy.
And where do they find this dead body?
उसको कहाँ पाते हैं? कहाँ मिलता है?
मिलता है, उस पर मिलता है, पानी में बह के आता है,
It flows in the Ganges, 5
गंगा
kinds
में
of
बह
body.
के आता है।
Ah, from
They
the
find, yeah,
crematory,
yeah.
so they get it.
Yeah.
And in you,
It is the skull of a human.
this is a skull from human.
This one, the
Oh,
upper
yeah,
part,
yeah. I see that.
the real one.
And do people fear Nagore or they respect Nagore?
आपसे कोई डरता है? आपसे कोई डरता है?
बहुत
Yeah, people are afraid of him because they do not have the understanding. They have misunderstanding, misinformation. That's why they're afraid.
And what would he say to the people who are afraid of him?
जो आपसे डरता है उसको आप क्या कहते हैं? जो आपसे डरता
हमने कहता है डरो मत और क्या।
He said, "Don't be afraid of me. I am also a man, but a living dead body."
And where do they live?
आप रहते कहाँ पे हैं?
यहीं रहते हैं।
Here, over here.
Here?
This is the house of him.
And what is the Ganga for them?
आपके लिए गंगा क्या है? गंगा नदी आपके लिए क्या है? गंगा नदी.
गंगा माँ है,
Ganga is the mother.
The mother.
गंगा
Mother.
मदर।
And in Europe, when they say Agori, they think that they sometimes for some reason eat some human part. Is that true?
ये बात सत्य है कि जो अघोरी बाबा होते हैं वो मानव शरीर खाते हैं. It is.
And why do they do that? Why do they do that?
ऐसा क्यों करते हैं?
खाते हैं, वो तपस्या है ना।
It's a kind of part of the meditation.
It's a part of the
It is the
meditation.
part of the meditation.
And always from the bodies they find in the Ganga.
हमेशा जो नदी में बॉडी रहता वही ना? Yeah.
Okay.
और नदी का भी और शमशान का भी।
From the river and from the crematorium
Samsan.
too.
Or from the crematorium too.
Yeah, the roasted one.
And he's covered in ashes.
Yeah, it is the ashes.
Okay.
And they also put the ashes on you.
Oh, this is human ashes.
Even ashes with sandal powder.
And he found them in the
And a
crematorium.
crematorium.
Oh, perfect.
क्या भी।
Thank you. Thank you, man. Eccomi dopo la chiacchierata e l'intervista con la Gori. Purtroppo non sono riuscito a fare più video e più foto di dove stava e di come stava perché non me l'ha permesso, però mi ha permesso di mettere fortunatamente la GoPro e fare l'intervista. Come vedete mi ha coperto di ceneri umane dovunque, me ne sono un po' levate ma restano. E mi sarebbe piaciuto far vedere dove sta perché è un posto assurdo, però non me l'ha permesso. Grazie a Dio sono riuscito a fare l'intervista e a riprenderla.